Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'd like to thank all those people who like my previous videos and subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed as of yet, you can just go down and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. So, for my new video today, my topic is the top 3 auteur filmmakers of all time in Hollywood. Now, in case you don't know what an auteur filmmaker is, an auteur filmmaker is a filmmaker who has a very different style or trademark style of his own, and that significantly impacts a film, in the way it is presented. Okay, so now originally I wanted to do just a top 3 auteur filmmakers of all time, but it's very difficult since there are so many, ranging from Andrei Tarkovsky to Federico Fellini and everybody. So I just decided to stick to Hollywood. So anyways, let's start the list. Number 1 on my list is Quentin Tarantino. Now, whenever you say altogether different style of their own, the first name that pops in your head is undoubtedly Quentin Tarantino. Known for his witty dialogues, over-the-top characters, and very, very, very graphic violence, Quentin Tarantino has made some of the best Hollywood movies of all time. He is known for usually parodying a lot of genres and at the same time making really a great homage to the genres. And so his 3 best films which you should watch are Pulp Fiction, Reservoir Dogs, and Django Unchained. Number 2 on my list is Tim Burton. Now, Tim Burton's style is usually making films which are set in a dark gothic atmosphere, and all of his films are usually fantasy films or fairy tales or even superhero films, but they are not made in the way you expect them to be. They are much more darker, much more grotesque, and much more deeper than other fairy tales or other fantasy films. And he's also known for his frequent collaborations with Johnny Depp and Helena Bonham Carter. And so 3 of his films which you definitely must check out are Edward Scissorhands, Beetlejuice, and possibly Batman. And another film I just want to give an honorable mention, that's a film which I think is not for everyone, but those who like Tim Burton's style will love this film, and that's Sweeney Todd, the Demon Barber on Fleet Street. It's a great film, but it's very dark and very violent. So you must watch his other films before watching this to know what his style exactly is. Finally, number 3 on my list is my all-time favorite auteur filmmaker in Hollywood, and that's Wes Anderson. In my opinion, what makes him such a great auteur filmmaker is that you know that you're watching a Wes Anderson film within just the first few seconds of the film. He has such a distinct style, a very distinctive color palette, extremely symmetrical frames, extremely quirky characters, a mix of dark humor and tragedy, a very balanced mix of dark humor and tragedy. I think he is just amazing. The way he makes these films, like I was saying, funny and heartbreaking at the same time. It's just brilliant. And 3 of his best films which you must check out are The Royal Tenenbaums, which tells the story of this dysfunctional family. The second film is Moonrise Kingdom, which tells the story of this young boy in a Boy Scouts group who falls in love with a young girl who is sort of held captive by her parents. It's a very different sort of film. And number 3, his best film in my opinion, is The Grand Budapest Hotel. It's sort of an adventure film. It tells the story of Gustav H., a hotel concierge who is wrongly accused of a murder, and he escapes with his lobby boy. And the film tells the story of their adventure, how he tries to clear his name. It's an amazing film, and if you're a fan of Ralph Fiennes, it's even better. So anyways guys, that was my video. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. You can also write down your thoughts in the comment section below. So thank you, bye bye, and I'll meet you next week.